Now, the final pre-trial hearing in the case of a prison escape of murder and rape convict Thabo Bester is expected to take place in the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein. This happens today. So Bester's co-accused and girlfriend Doctor Nandipha Magudumana, her father Zolile Sekeleni, and former prison guards Senohe Matsoara, Teboho, Lipholo, and Tieho, Makhotsa, and others are facing various charges. They include aiding Bester to escape from prison, arson, violating a cops as well. Now, Bester escaped from the Mangaung Correctional Centre back in Bloemfontein in May of 2022. Here's SABC News reporter Kamogelo, who's in Bloemfontein and joins us now. So, Kamo, good morning. We are told to brace as more light will be shed on Bester's daring prison escape at today's pre-trial hearing.
Well, Mxolisi, today essentially the court will hear whether all the accused in the matter, remember there are 9 people who are accused together with Doctor Nandipha Magudumana and Bester. The total number is 9. So the court has to satisfy itself that all the paperwork that has to have been finalized is finalized. That includes all legal fees that have to be paid. They are paid. All the accused have legal representation because the court will not want to have any disruptions when the actual trial begins on the 10th of November. So today the court will just have to satisfy itself on those details. You remember that in the previous appearance of the accused, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's father actually did not have legal representation because at the time legal aid had declined to represent him in court. But we did see this morning that he was with one of the legal aid lawyers outside of court just having a chat. So we will confirm when we get inside the court whether legal aid did indeed accept his application and that they will be representing him. We'll also hear if Thabo Bester has paid all his legal fees because he was one of the people in the previous appearance that had not paid all his legal fees. But Mxolisi, you remember that even though this case is about Thabo Bester escaping from the Mangaung prison in Bloemfontein, at the center of it also is also Teboho, whose body was found in Thabo Bester's cell at the prison. We actually spoke to Teboho's mother at the weekend, and she spoke to us about how she's still grieving her son. You know, she told us that she has now developed a heart disease and she's going through a severe depression. She's in and out of hospital, and she was actually telling us also that she's looking forward to today because she really wants the trial to begin. But the trial is set for the 10th of November until December, and they did indicate previously that if they are not done, they need to carry over to 2026. Policy.
All right, Kamogelo Seeikoei, thanks so much for that update. That's Kamogelo Seeikoei at the Free State High Court in Bloem on the final pre-trial hearing of escaped convicted rapist and murderer accused Thabo Bester as well as co-accused. Thanks so much for that.